We offer a range of digital services throughout Neath Port Talbot, so we run digital inclusion drop-in sessions, which you don't have to sign up for. You can just come in, drop in. If you've got any IT problems, we can help you fix them.
This is Stroke Group, and I've been here to mix with people who have gone through similar things. I had an aneurysm in 2022, and I came out of hospital in 2023. So when the service was announced, I went on to him and I said, this is the issues I'm having. Fantastic. I gotta be honest, my computer is flying better than it was before.
I work for Neath Port Talbot Council, part of the adult learning section, where I help people with technical issues with mobile phones, computers, or any other digital devices, using online services, doctor's appointments, online banking, bus timetables, things like that. The simple things that everybody else takes for granted.
I'd seen Neil about joining my Fitbit with my phone. It was just something I had no idea how to do it myself. So it's really, really useful for me to come and see someone. I've had a really good experience as a service.
He's been very patient with me, and he's put up with a lot. So yeah, it's been very good. He's been worth his weight in gold. It's given me more confidence.
What I try to do is encourage them to learn it themselves. And whatever it is, whatever devices they need or whatever help they need, we're able to give it to them.